It is time to do a layered bob with a little bit of graduation to make the hair look as full and thick as possible. So the very first thing I'm doing is establishing the outline right now. I'm just combing the hair down, holding it with my comb on the neck, and then using the scissors to cut the hair to establish the length. Once I've established this length, then at that point we will go through and layer the back and add a little graduation. Our goal is to make the hair look full, thick, have a lot of volume. So once I complete cutting this outline, we'll dive into the layering. Alright, so as you can see, I've got a center section in the middle of the back. I'm combing that hair straight back, and right there, bam, I'm cutting off that corner to create the layering that I'm going for in the back. Now, that is my guide for the rest of the layering throughout the rest of the haircut. From there, all the sections I take, I'm going to over direct to the previous section to keep a continuous flow of the layering throughout the haircut. So as you can see, I've taken another section to the left, combing that section to the previous section, which is the section I just got done cutting, to know how short to cut this current section, and I'm going to continue to do that onward till I get to the front. Okay, another section on the left, not a whole lot to explain here, over direct to the previous section. Once I'm done with the left side, we will then carry on to the right side. It is now time to do the layering on the right side. The left side's all complete. You can see I've got a section here on the right side. I'm combing the hair straight back, over directing it to that very first section we cut, which is the guide for all the layering, and establishing the layers now on the right side. We're going to continue taking sections here on the right side, over directing them back to the previous section. Once we get done with the layering, then we'll address the bangs, blow dry the hair, of course, and we will be all wrapped up. As you can see, I've now dried the hair, and it is now time to execute the bangs / fringe. So I'm holding the hair in my comb, taking my scissors, and basically establishing the length that my model is looking for. So gonna finish wrapping up the bangs here. You can see just holding the hair right there. I pick it up with the scissors, hold it in my comb, and then I just clean off that desired length that we're looking for. Well, we've come to the end of another haircut. Check out that volume. You can see how full and thick those layers make the hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions in regards to the layering technique that I did on this haircut, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this haircut, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And lastly, hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you guys again. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.